Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, we'll be calculating siding. Here we have a basic garage with a hip roof, and we need to calculate how much siding we're going to need to buy to cover all four sides. So first of all, our measurements, we have 20 by 20, and it's 8 feet high. So we need to draw out each side that we're going to be siding, and we need to calculate the square footage for each side. So we know that all sides are 8 feet high by 20 feet long. So we're going to calculate those together and get 160 square footage for each of those sides. Now for our side with the garage door, we know that the entire side is 160, and we're just going to calculate the size of the garage door and subtract it from our side. Now our garage is 16 by 7, and that gives me a total of 112 square feet. So I'm going to take that 112 and take that out of our entire side of 160. That leaves me with 48 square feet that I'm going to need to side. Now if I add up all four of my sides, I have the three sides that are 160 square feet and the one side with the garage door that's 48. That gives me a total of 528 square feet of side that I'm going to need to put my siding on. However, when ordering siding, you always want to make sure to order extra. You're not going to use all of every single piece, so you need to add in a little bit for waste.